In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in PayPal app. We'll walk through this together step by step so you know exactly what to tap and why you're doing it. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on your phone or tablet and that your app is up to date so the layout looks similar to what I'm describing. First, open your PayPal app and head to your main dashboard. This is the home screen you see right after logging in, where you can view your balance, recent transactions, and shortcuts to send or request money. If you're not there already, you can usually get to the screen by tapping the home or summary icon at the bottom of the app. From your dashboard, look for the section that shows your balance or financial overview, and then tap on Wallet. The wallet area is where PayPal organizes the money in your account, your linked bank accounts, cards, and any currencies you've added. Think of it as your digital purse where everything is stored and managed. Once you're inside Wallet, you'll see your current PayPal balance and any other currencies you might already have. Here, you want to look for an option that says Add a Currency. Go ahead and tap on that. This is the feature that lets you hold money in different currencies within the same account, which is especially helpful if you get paid from other countries or shop on international websites. After you tap Add a Currency, PayPal will show you a list of available currencies. Scroll through this list and find the currency you want to add to your account. Take a moment to double check that you're choosing the correct one, especially if there are similar looking currency names or symbols. When you find the one you want, tap on that currency to select it. Next, you'll see a confirmation option that again says Add a Currency. Tap on Add a Currency to confirm your choice. At this point, PayPal is creating a separate balance in that currency for your account. You're not moving money yet, you're just enabling your account to hold funds in that new currency. Finally, once the currency has been added successfully, you'll see a button that says Done. Tap on Done to finish the process and return to your wallet view. You should now see the new currency listed alongside your existing balance. And that's it. You've successfully added